Welcome back. That's Lena Girl. Oh, you're sitting closer. I'm Davey D. It is time for some...
I'm going to take over your camera.
Time for some shakas and shoutouts. First of all, we're going to say shakas and shoutouts. Well, you know, because we have the best of.
Yes, we do.
And I think we created this fancy schmancy graphic. You see how we do.
Fancy with the music.
I know. So shakas and shoutouts to Hawaii's top restaurants, spas, pet clinics, roofers, even karaoke spots.
That's right. You voted for your favorites, and beginning Monday, June 2nd, we revealed the best of Hawaii.
We had a chance to preview some of them, and you know, we got to say shakas and shoutouts to you. Brady, you can come back to us. Shakas and shoutouts to you, the viewers that voted, because you know you hit the mark.
Absolutely.
All the stuff that we saw and we got to taste in advance.
We're like, we agree. You did choose the best.
Yeah, so shakas and shoutouts to you. Now, shakas and shoutouts to the Polynesian Cultural Center as well. It's the only cultural attraction of its kind in the world and a favorite of both locals and visitors to Hawaii, and it's taking the show on the road, sis.
That is so awesome. Coming up on June 4th, it's hosting a free community show in Lahaina to celebrate the arrival of Iosepa, a traditional Hawaiian voyaging canoe. Actually, Iosepa is right now in Molokai Tihu.
Oh, wow.
my nephew Elijah is on it.
That's so cool.
The hour-long event will feature vibrant Polynesian mele, music, and dance, and is open to the public.
And PCC truly wants to share aloha with Maui residents. That's why the show is free. Yes, free admission, again, June 4th at the Lahaina Civic Center. All right, shakas and shoutouts to the Friends of Liliuokalani Gardens. On Friday, May 30th, it's hosting a volunteer work day at the gardens at 49 Banyan Drive, right there in Hilo.
Volunteers are needed to retrieve loose stones, which will be stockpiled for stonemasons to make repairs to the walls around the edge of Waihonu Pond. Please wear water shoes for protection. Gloves and bottled water will be provided.
Now, if you plan to kokua, just heads up, meet up on the Lihivai Street side of the park at the pond near the concrete makaha, which is that gate.
And shakas and shoutouts to the Office of Hawaiian Affairs. It has awarded Hawaiian Community Assets a $1.66 million community grant to administer the Kukulu Kahua Emergency Financial Assistance Program.
Wow, Kukulu Kahua means to build a foundation, and this program offers one-time emergency financial assistance to Native Hawaiian individuals and families experiencing financial hardship. Now, if you want more information about this Office of Hawaiian Affairs program,
or the free community performance by the Polynesian Cultural Center, go to kitv.com/links.
All right, we want to welcome back to our hale Ian Mateo from Pest Tech Hawaii.